Applying for a plant import permit. Step 1. Log into JSWIFT. Step 2. Select a new permit. Navigate to Permit, and then New. Step 3. Complete the general information page. In this case, we are going to be applying for an import permit. Please go ahead and select Import from the Regime tab. The grayed out fields will be populated by the system. You can enter a unique number or allow the system to assign one. From the drop-down list, select Kingston for your process region. In this section below you will find your individual or company details. You are able to toggle between the two once your entity chief status has been approved. Just a keynote, once the personal field is checked, your individual details will be inserted, and if unchecked your company details will be inserted in the required fields. In this section you able to select who is applying for the permit, the individual or the company. We are now at contact details. Go ahead and enter a name, telephone number, and an email address you can access. The information provided here is used to get in contact with the client if there are any issue found with the permit. Let's now scroll to the end of the page. You are almost finished with your general information. In this section, you are required to enter your exporter or consignee details. Enter the name of your exporter or consignee in the field labeled exporter or consignee, and their address in the field labeled exporter or consignee address. Well done. You have completed your general information page. Select Next to move to step 4, your item details page. Step 5. Select your process type. From the drop-down list, go ahead and select Plant Import Permit. Some available options once Plant Import Permit is selected are your search and product search options. The search option is linked to the tariff or commodity HS code, This can be used to find commodities using the commodity code or commodity description, if outlined in the tariff. The product search option is linked to the pest risk analysis data. This outlines plants that have been approved under the pest risk analysis. It displays the results reflecting the approved category, tariff, commodity description, country of origin, country of export, and also displays results specific to the criteria entered for the search. Using only the commercial description field, let's now do a search. Type roses in the commercial description field and navigate to search. This will populate all relevant details for the specific commodity entered. You can search using the scientific name, or country of origin. If this information is unknown, continue using your commercial description, which in this case are roses, then select search. Once the data is populated, go ahead and select choose. If for some reason you want to replace the previous search entry, select product search, then click on the clear feature button highlighted in red. Once selected will result in all fields being cleared, allowing you to conduct a new search. Let us now do a new search using the commercial description, carnations. From the application form, select product search, then select the clear tab, then type carnations in the commercial description field. You will then navigate to search. A list with your commodity code, scientific name, country of origin, and other details associated with the commodity will be generated. Once it matches your criteria, you will then be required to select the choose button, that's highlighted in green. This action will take you back to your application form. You will notice that some of the field has been populated based on the product search done. Pretty straightforward, right? Okay, let's move on. Go ahead and complete the remaining details. Country of export, this is considered to be the country where the goods will be exported from. Place of origin, this is where the farm is located or where the plants were grown. Transshipment, if applicable, this is optional and only required if goods will be transshipped. This is also dependent on whether or not the applicant is aware of this at the time the application is being made. Please follow closely with me, as I complete this form. Let's go. Once you have completed your first item details, go ahead and select the Add Commodity button highlighted in blue. Your Add Commodity button can be found at the end of your item details page. To add a new commodity, select Add New, then complete the form as we did earlier. The country of export, same as country of origin feature, can be used when the country of export is the same as the country of origin. This will save you time on data entry. Complete all the fields, then select your Add Commodity button. Please follow closely with me, as I enter the details for my second item, and remember, you must select that Add Commodity button when you are finished. Once you have selected your Add Commodity button, you should be seeing your 2 items. In my final step, I will add my final item, using the duplicate feature. Using the duplicate feature. This will be demonstrated when we add our third and final item. After selecting duplicate, select edit. The item values will need updating as well as any other information that is different from the item being duplicated. Update the required fields where necessary, then save changes and select close. Navigate to the last page for the calculated fees. This page will display the amount calculated for payment. Select the Next button, this will take you to your fees page. Then go ahead and select Verify. Once your verification is successful, go ahead and select OK, and then Submit. You have successfully submitted your permit application. Your permit registration details will appear. Great job, you are now ready to pay for your permit. See video on JSWIFT e-payment. Thank you for watching our tutorial on plant import permit application. Please subscribe to our learning channel for new updates on JSWIFT.